Find or read reviews that people are talking about Luocute Portable Kerosene Heater. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Kerosene heater. Indoor, portable kerosene heater provides quick heat to efficiently warm large space, suitable for garage, living room, bedroom, apartment, and RV. No electricity needed. This kerosene heater with 5.2 liters tank that provides 20 to 25 hours of heat. Includes a complete accessory set with funnel, siphon pump, gloves, and extra wicks. Reliable heater. Stay warm during power outages, snowstorms, or winter emergencies with this small kerosene heater. It ensures you remain comfortable and prepared for unexpected weather conditions. Safe and energy saving. Save on utility bills with this kerosene heater. Designed with adjustable height design allows you to control heat output more effectively. Protective safety net for added safety, ensuring reliable warmth. Multipurpose use. Suitable for indoor and outdoor spaces, this compact kerosene heater is ideal for camping, tent, porch, greenhouse, and patio. It doubles as a reliable backup heat source, with a flat top that allows you to boil water or cook food while keeping warm. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.